All right, welcome back. We've cleared off all the Dutch ovens, so now we're going to cook. And I think we're going to try to cook with this old antique one. Dad, have you ever cooked in this one?
Yeah, but I don't know what I did.
Yeah. This one, like I said before, this is a spider because it has the handle outside. And I love this. I just love the looks of this thing. And today we are going to cook a stew. I call it a camp stew. It's something Dad's always done with anything we happen to have on hand at the camp. So, Dad, where should I start?
Put your meat in there first.
Meat. And this is all beef because we're in Texas.
Some people like to brown it, but if you don't have time, you don't have to. Just put everything in there.
You want some chili powder?
Just a dash. And salt and pepper to taste.
We always add more salt later.
I get it. Oh, what else you like in it, Jimmy? We got some potatoes, carrots.
Well, let's put your onions in there and your potatoes and your carrots. Your carrots gonna take longer.
All right. I've already pre-cut a bunch of carrots here, so we'll just load them in.
We're gonna cheat a little bit today. We're gonna use some airtight on corn and peas and tomatoes. And Barry has some.
That's some vegetable stock, Dad. And if you're not making your own vegetable stock, shame on you. It's so easy to make. I may do a recipe. I may do a video on that one day, how you make your own vegetable stock. All right, let's add some tomatoes, some peas. Oh, this is gonna be good. Some corn. And I guess we better not add any more since we're getting to the top of it. And a little juice.
We'll probably have to add a little water.
I can run and grab some water.
You might have should have used the 16.
Yeah, I think we'll get it.
I think we're gonna feed an army with what we have.
Yeah, that comes
Perfect.
up with enough water for right now.
We have to add water later. We will. Gary, do you mind putting some coals? We're at, I didn't tell you. I didn't introduce you. Sitting next to me here is our dad, and he goes by Uncle Jimmy. And everybody calls him Uncle Jimmy, except I think me. So anyway, this is Uncle Jimmy, and we're at his kitchen on his back porch. And he's got a really good.
While he's getting the coals ready, let's add a little garlic.
He's got a really good kitchen back here and a really nice a setup, and he's got a nice fireplace behind us, so it's great for Dutch oven cooking. And that's what we're using today. Besides, it's a little hot out there, so it doesn't hurt to cook inside. Real thin, Dad?
Sir?
You mean cut them real thin?
Yes. You always use garlic.
Want some more?
Yeah, a couple of more.
Couple more. Hey guys, while we're sitting here finishing up, I got to tell you again, Cowboy Cooking, B. Mac and Gary, please subscribe to the channel. My wife gets on to me when I say prescribe. Subscribe to the channel, and there's a like button. Please use it. There's a dislike button, and like I told you before, it's malfunctioned, so don't even try to even bother using it. And hit that notification bell. If you hit that notification bell, you'll get notified when our next video comes out. All right, we got ready.
We're ready.
Some coals.
All right.
Gary, set
How
up.
many coals do you want? A lot?
Let's put a little bit less than that on the bottom, and then we'll put some on the top.
Dutch oven cooking, you cook more from the top down to the bottom. So you want more heat on the top than you do on the bottom.
All right, some on the top, and we'll watch that because we might have a little bit too much on the bottom, but we'll watch it. And when that sucker is ready, we'll be back. Okay, it's been about 3 hours, I'd say. We've had the stew on. It's been sitting there cooking. We'll check it every now and again, and we just looked, and the potatoes are soft. So let's get it out. Gary, if you don't mind, get it out, and we'll see what we got. I'll slide over here. I already took all the coals off the top. Smells good. Careful I don't put any ashes into the stew.
That does look good.
What do you think, Jimmy?
I believe it's looking good.
We'll just put a little bit in here just to show you. Oh my goodness.
Gary, reach in that first drawer and give us a spoon.
We're gonna eat on that for days. I hope we can try it. It may be hot.
Might be a little bit too hot for me to put a lip over.
Well, remember whatever you got, use it. Well, tasers are done.
Tastes done.
One thing that if we had a bigger pot, we should have put cabbage in it, because if you're cooking stew around Coral, Texas, you're gonna have to have cabbage in it.
All right.
That would be good, Pop.
Yeah. All right. Well, it goes to show you, you can do it. So if we can do it, you guys can do it. So as Dad likes to say while he's got his mouth full,
Keep it hot on top.
Gary,
We'll see you around the campfire.
y'all keep the party going. We'll see you next time.